Rice, a staple in many cuisines, is not just a comfort food but also a powerhouse of health benefits. It supplies the body with energy through complex carbohydrates, ideal for fueling your day. Brown rice, in particular, is rich in dietary fiber, essential for a healthy digestive system. Just half a cup provides a good amount of fiber to keep things moving smoothly. It's packed with vitamins like E and B, supporting your nervous system, heart, and even your skin. Brown rice is particularly beneficial, offering more concentrated nutrients. Contrary to popular belief, rice, especially when organic, helps resist obesity with its low sodium and fat content. Brown rice's fiber content may protect against cancers, including colon and bowel cancer. Plus, its antioxidants like vitamin C and A help fight free radicals. Interestingly, rice can enhance skin freshness and may even protect against Alzheimer's, especially when consumed regularly. Rice is an incredible staple food with numerous health benefits. It helps to keep blood pressure under control due to its low sodium content. Rice also promotes diuresis and enhances digestion, aiding in the improvement of metabolic processes. Certain groups especially benefit from including rice in their diet. For instance, individuals with celiac disease can enjoy rice safely as it is gluten-free. Those with digestive issues benefit from its easy digestibility, helping recovery from ailments like diarrhea. Heart patients find rice beneficial for heart health, thanks to its low fat and sodium levels. Rice bran also helps reduce LDL cholesterol while maintaining good HDL cholesterol. Diabetics can manage blood sugar levels better with brown rice, owing to its fiber content. Athletes gain energy from rice's complex carbohydrates, making it an excellent pre-exercise meal. Pairing rice with legumes offers even greater health benefits. While white rice in moderation is beneficial, excessive consumption can lead to high blood sugar, obesity, and digestive disorders. Opt for brown rice to avoid these adverse effects. For those with celiac disease, rice is a safe choice as it is free from gluten. Its digestibility makes it ideal for people with digestive issues, aiding in recovery from conditions like diarrhea. Rice is heart-friendly with its low fat and sodium content, and rice bran helps lower bad cholesterol. Athletes benefit from rice's complex carbohydrates, making it a great pre-exercise food. Combine rice with legumes to maximize health benefits. While white rice is beneficial in moderation, excessive intake can lead to health issues. Choose brown rice as a healthier alternative.